Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another delicious cocktail. And hey, we're gonna have and make a little bit of a space for this rye. This is actually gonna be one cocktail that was designed on the city of Phoenix, Arizona. This is gonna be the Passion and Rye. Please stay with me. Let me show you how this guy is gonna be done. Okay, so rye and passion cocktail, very simple, you guys. Super easy ingredients. You're gonna need some lime juice, you're gonna need some grapefruit juice, you're gonna need your passion puree that we talk about it on our video of the three cocktails with passion fruit. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't forget to click the link right there to subscribe. That way you can get the notifications every time and you're not gonna miss any of these chances to learn how to make really good cocktails to impress your friends or just for yourself, okay? So, without any more talk, let's jump into this guy. We're gonna start putting an ounce and a half or really high proof rye. In this case, this is a Templeton rye. This is a present from one of my friends, Patrona. Wanted to say hi to you. This is 115.8 proof, so this is a really high proof rye. This is gonna be a delicious cocktail. Let's go for an ounce and a half. Then let's chop for 3/4 of an ounce passion fruit, half ounce of Campari, grapefruit juice, half ounce, remember, always fresh, lemon juice, half ounce, Angostura bitters, 2 dashes, put some ice, and let's give it a really good shake. Gotta say that this is the first time that I'm drinking this one. Ice. Let's fill a glass with ice. Let's pour over fresh. And for your garnish, you can do it two ways, you guys. Either you can make this nice sweet and salty dehydrated lemon wheels, or you can put a nice bush of mint. So, how are you gonna make these really cool chips, dehydrated lime or lemon wedges? This is very simple, you guys. So basically you're just gonna make some lemon or lime wheels. You're gonna put some sugar on top and maybe just sprinkle a little bit of salt. Then either you can put it on a toaster or you can put it on an air fryer. And just wait for about 15 to 20 minutes until these guys they get completely dehydrated. So this is gonna be the fun part because actually you can chew in them. It's gonna be like a nice sweet, salty, and tart, and it's gonna bring a lot of flavor to your cocktails when you actually nibble on your garnishes. But if you want to be a little bit creative, let's make it double. And we make this sexy cocktail. Rye and passion, and salud.